Okay, so hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks for being here. If you like what you see, please comment, subscribe, like. I already said that. Anyways, today I'm going to show you how to clean a window. Sorry if my sound isn't very good. I need my phone far back and I don't have any mics with me. So that's how it's going to be. First, remove the window, open it up, pull it up, drop it back down. Don't have your shit in the way. Bam, your window's up. Next, you want to take out the railing. Use a flathead to pry up the trim. Start on one corner and just start prying, and then go to the other corner and pry up, and then go along the edge, and then it'll pop out. After you do that, best thing to do, vacuum it all. Next step. Love this stuff. I realized that I didn't say what it is. It's just the bathroom foam spray from the dollar store. This stuff is fantastic. It works on everything. This house used to be a smoker's house, so this trim is all covered in yellow nicotine, and this pulls all of that off. I even use it on painted walls, everything. It is fantastic. And just clean that. While you're cleaning the frame, do the top to bottom, left to right, just like always, and then clean the bottom railing. Do that last because it is going to be the worst, and then your rag is going to be disgusting and it's not going to clean everything else. So always start at the top, work your way down. Pro tip for cleaning glass: use a razor blade on the wet glass cleaner and just scrape all of it. You're gonna feel where it has those marks, even wet spots like water spots on a car. It'll clean that off. Not on the paint, only on the glass. Anyways, also works on like glass top ovens and things like that. It's fantastic. Cleans everything off, and then you just spray it, wipe it off again like a normal window, and bam, done. Beautiful. Now we're gonna work on that other window. Every bathroom cleaner. Sorry about the sounds. There's a guy outside working on his truck, and it doesn't seem like it's going well. Okay, so just wipe it down. Again, spray it down, razor blade it. And you'll hear it if it's like, if there's something on there, you'll hear it and you'll feel it. And just keep going over that spot in different directions so you don't feel it anymore. It just makes it so much faster, and then you don't have to like sit there and scrub off all those dots. They just come right off. And now we're going to flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. You want it fairly wet for the razor blade because you want it to glide. trim that bathroom cleaner again. This one's not great. So it's just gonna be clean. I know I'm not inside. I'm gonna show what he's in set it inside, and the bottom of my screwdriver is too big, but this fits perfectly inside. Just tap it back in. You can tell it's back in because it doesn't move and no spots are puffed up. Now let's put the window back. Make sure it's unlocked. Up first, in, and then just let go. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I taught you how to clean a window. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.